Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use margin trading on Kraken and how to open a position step by step. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. Margin trading lets you borrow funds from Kraken to execute leveraged trades, giving you more buying or selling power. You can open two types of positions depending on whether you want to go long or short. For example, if you want to open a long position on ETH/Euro, Kraken will lend you Euro so you can buy ETH. If you want to go short, they'll lend you ETH so you can sell it for Euro. Once you're logged in, go to the New Order tab and select Intermediate to enable margin trading. You'll see a screen where you can choose to buy or sell using the leverage available. If you decide to use a leverage of 3, that means your buying power is tripled, so a 3-to-1 leverage. To go long, set up a buy order. Then choose the order type. If you want the trade to execute immediately at the current market price, select Market. If you want it to trigger only when a certain price is reached, select Limit. Once everything is set, confirm your order and Kraken will open your margin position. That's it. Margin trading can amplify your gains, but also your losses, so make sure to use it carefully. If this walkthrough helped you, hit like so more people can find it. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.